Alright, you know what, guys? I am bored, so I'm doing my first commentary video. Hooray! Yay! Anyways, I'm playing Bedwars in this epic Bedwars thingamajiggy. Anyways, I'm new to this, so we're gonna be playing Bedwars solo. It doesn't look like we're gonna have any, that much competition. There is a level 40, and looking at I don't know, you guys can tell me how good I am. I think I'm decent for a level 15, I would say, but you guys can tell me that. Okay, so we have a level 40. Please do not tell me we haven't. Is that the actual level 40? If that's the level 40, I'm actually going to... Alright, we're so cooked. Not gonna lie. Alright, we've got our wall. Let's go. I did it wrong. Bro, what is this dookie? Wait. Oh my gosh, I just realized. I can eliminate him. Look, ready? Bang, you get the wall. He's gonna jump off, causing me to speed bridge. I feel like he's gonna get... Whoa, wait. Actually, I'm just gonna go back to my bed, you know? So, because it is a level... Wait. I don't know. Is that right? Is he the level 40? I don't know. Ooh, oh my gosh, he's coming. Yeah, I don't trust him. Oh my gosh. Alright. You know what? We're watching him. Let's go. Let's go. Nothing can defeat me. Yep. Alright. That was all part of the master plan. So I was meant to fall off so that he would come to me, okay? It's called convincing. Trust me, guys. That was all part of the plan. Do not doubt my skills for a second. Oh my gosh, how did I miss that? See, now, this is the part of the plan. He's gonna go buy clay for his bed. Never mind, he's not. Up. Oh! So hard. Alright, never mind. Challenge. Pass. I mean, mission successful. Alright, so we are just going to completely just rush teams this game. Because I honestly just want to win a game without just... I don't know why. I just feel like whenever I'm recording, I just lose all the games. But when I'm not recording, I'll get... I'm pretty sure I had a 10 win streak a couple days ago. I was like, wow. But not... Okay, yo, we can talk about this.
That you know, and they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Oh,
you're not
my
really
God.
fine, but you just can't get into.
That was also part of the master plan. Guys, don't doubt me. If you doubt me, then you're a hater. Okay, so moving back to what I was saying earlier, I can just surely edit that out of the video. That did not happen, guys. Don't worry. All part of the master plan. Yeah, I'm gonna go this way because I feel like I'll have more luck going this way. Yep. Look at that. This dude doesn't even have iron armor because he's a noob. Ah, no way. Well, we've got quite... I swear to God, guys, I'm not hacking. He literally just disconnected. What was that? Oh my, okay. Alright, guys. Yep, I got his bed and everything. Yep. Don't believe me? Then, you guys are all just haters, to be honest. Oh my gosh, there's the green person. Come on. No, he's going for my bed. Oh, no, mind, he's not. Because he's a smart person. He knows if I... No. Lock in. Oh! Oh, I won. Oh my gosh, I won! Let's go! See, guys, that is a true Bedwars game.
Another one.
Anyways, next. We are back with the next game. Let's go. Alright, so currently we're on a 1-win streak. Hopefully, what? Today, yeah, you know what the video is going to be? Playing Bedwars until we lose. I just realized this dude's probably, yep, he is like, he wants Mega Rush. Okay, then. See how. Alright, then, have a nice day. I can get his bed. Combo. Holy combo. Oh, I'm gonna try hard. No. I can actually. Yeah, he's coming for me. No. See? Oh my gosh, that was one hard too. Alright, that was a bit too close for comfort, but anyways.
A few moments later.
Anyways, now that I have gotten one team, see, I'm on like a streak right now. Let's go get this dude bed because I feel like it. No.
Nice.
No. No. Wait, I don't have any armor. No, he's gonna come for me, isn't he? No. Oh wait, no man, he's not gonna come for me because he knows that I'm an absolute Bedwars pro. That is true. Oh. And I just pressed a different app.
Or you see
We'll be
someone
right back.
that you know,
Honestly, I
and
just
they ask you how
realized
you are,
that's
you
probably
just
why
have
the
to
other
say that
dude
you're
just
fine
disconnected.
when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Yeah, but he was probably playing on like, because when you play, because I'm playing on a tablet currently, and when I go like that, like while I'm trying to like switch to my hotbar, when I press an app, it completely logs me out of the game. Anyways, technical difficulties. That does not count on the Bedwars win streak, technically. Okay, I'm gonna still continue the video until I lose. So you're gonna have to see more of my annoying face until the end. Anyways, I can just edit for you, but yeah, I'll still do it because I'm nice. Alright, so to be honest, I think my best like way to win is probably to get like just to rush mainly, because yeah, I don't know how I can just like wing it when I'm not recording. When
A few moments later.
I would not miss that jump if I wasn't recording. When I'm recording, I'm just like really into it, but I'm like too into it that I'm like clumsy about it, if that makes sense. But anyways, hopefully this works. I'm ready. So it looks to be as this dude is great at. Oh, okay. Well, 2 seconds ago he couldn't break his bar. And alrighty, we're both going back for more. Alrighty. You know what? Because I'm mean, I'm gonna buy a sword too. Haha. I know I'm the meanest person who's ever gonna meet. Watch this, bro. Yep. And you can say bye-bye.
Nice.
Oh! I'm ready. And that is one down. And about 6 more to go. Hello, sir. It is very nice to meet you.
Nice.
This fine day. I have broken your bed. And now you have been eliminated out of the game. Righty, we are on a roll. That's 5 more down. I mean, 5 more to go, I think. Is this dude coming? Alright, so now our next target is yellow. He's on the hitman list. Don't ask. Yes, as I cut that video, I become I become a hitman for Mr. Beast. He has fully employed me.
A few moments later.
Oh, okay. At least I got it better. At least I got it. Alright. I reckon let's go for this dude. Yes. Thank you all. I love all you guys for just leaving your beds open for me to get. Can I come with this dude? I can. I'm Spider-Man. Alrighty.
Nice.
That's 3 more to go. Alright. Next team, here we come. Magenta. Oh, this is the dude with the last bed. We're just gonna hide here. Alrighty, see ya. Have a nice time. If this is Clay, okay. I thought it was gonna be Clay, and if it was Clay, I would have like left the game then and there. Alright, see, the embarrassing thing is I still have I don't even have chainmail armor. So let's go get some chainmail armor. Because if he comes back, I'm pretty sure he's gonna be a little bit mad. There is no way an iron armor loses to a chainmail person, surely. Alrighty then. Well, at least I have iron armor too now. Well, we're gonna go get rid of red, and then we just have to be a tryhard and get the last team. And there we go. That's... oh my gosh. The other dude's coming for me, so... okay. Well, we are now going to be on the run. Because currently, I have 0 re... oh, he's right there, he's right there, he's right there. I'm out of here, I'm out of here. Okay, okay, okay. We need to think of a good plan. Because... yeah, he's coming, he's coming. He's like right behind me. Oh my gosh. He has a booster pack. 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 Oh my gosh. Look. Meow, 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 meow. Gosh, why is this game full of tryhards? Well, I guess that's all you get for today's video. Since I suck at Bedwars. Hope you enjoy and subscribe.